Sure, here's a comprehensive and engaging story focusing just on the birth and early life of Cain and Abel, without including the story of their offerings to God or the later conflict. The birth of Cain and Abel. A story of beginnings. After Adam and Eve left the beautiful Garden of Eden, the world outside was new and unfamiliar. The lush paradise they had once walked with God was now a memory. But though life was harder, there was hope, because God had not left them. He had given them a promise that life would go on. In time, Eve felt something she had never felt before, a stirring inside her, a new kind of wonder and mystery. And then, one day, she gave birth to a baby boy. Holding her newborn son in her arms, she looked up with joy and awe. "With the help of the Lord," she said, "I have brought forth a man." She named him Cain, which means acquired or brought forth. Cain grew strong and curious. He watched his father Adam tend the soil, planting seeds and growing food. As he grew older, Cain began to help his father work the land. He loved the feel of the earth in his hands, the rhythm of sowing and harvesting. He was the first farmer, learning how to provide for himself and his family through the strength of his hands and the patience of the seasons. Sometime after Cain was born, Eve gave birth to another son. She named him Abel, a name that means breath or vapor. From the beginning, Abel had a gentler nature. While Cain loved the fields, Abel was drawn to the open hills, the soft bleating of sheep, and the quiet peace of the pasture. He became a shepherd, caring for flocks of sheep and lambs with tender hands.